Welcome back NS Tech 24 channel. Today I show that how can we find out our password in browser. As like most of the time we have there many accounts we created in browser, but we forget the password easily. But how can I restore that? So let's start. Open my Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. Every browser these options here. How can you get it? So you look Gmail account, freelancer, skill and others. Now I show you minds.com account here. How can I get this password? https www.minds.com. Enter. Now this website I have an account. Login. This site is a bookmarking website. So here is many social bookmarking. I click on login. Here username and password, but this password I forget this password. When I clean this password, the message has been here, view saved login. Please enter username instead and email address. So I forget the password. On auto save password, so this option here. Look side on one application menu and open your options. There are many options in browser. Every browser must most options here. I open options. Now look there. General, startup, home, search and privacy, sign. This is the most important 5 menus, and here are all sub menus. General submenus, startup, tabs, language and appearance. Click on homes, new window and tabs. Home page. How to like your home page you open here. You customize your home page. Visit page, bookmark, most recent download. But now I search my password. Privacy and security. I on click and I go to the login and password. Every browser these options are auto selected. If you want to encrypt it, you unselect it. This facility is for use, but not only browser. Maximum time we forget our password, so I can restore there. But if you uncheck the options, you could not get it easily. So that's tricks. Now login and password, save login. I going on my minds.com website. Look here, minds.com. Now click on minds.com and here you look minds.com website, username and password. So now click on this I. Look, minds@12345. Now I want to copy it. So that if you are save your username, password or Gmail in a browser login site, so you can find it easily here. Look that my every account here are saved. It's auto because it's for very helpful for me. I hope that its tutorial is too helpful for you. Please share this video and inspire on your friend, cooperate, develop our technical knowledge. Thank you watching this video.